Well, when the pandemic began, there were a lot of things politicians disagreed about. Everything from stay-at-home orders to mask wearing.
But throughout the pandemic, Americans have retained ready access to alcohol, and that idea has truly bipartisan support. On that note, we find KIMT News 3's Jeremy Wall at the liquor store. Jeremy.
George and Katie, earlier I spoke with Dr. Pravish Sharma, who did a study on how alcohol is impacting people throughout the pandemic, and this is what he found. Many popular gathering places have been forced to close throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, putting a lot of us in a foul mood. People have been turning to alcohol to cope. In his study, Dr. Sharma found 70% of participants have increased their alcohol intake during this pandemic.
We think that this could be because of a negative mood state that is happening because of isolation and patients staying at home most of the time and other stress around COVID-19.
Dr. Sharma's research didn't look into what kind of alcohol people are consuming. He only knows we are drinking more. But Ed Campbell, the owner of Woody's Liquor, knows what his customers are drinking. He says they are buying a lot of wine and dark liquors. He expects business to continue an upward trend.
The younger folks typically that are out to the bars and restaurants are going to be here buying their wine, their beer, their seltzer, so they can sit at home and drink it there.
Dr. Sharma's research is pretty conclusive, and he doesn't plan to do any more on this topic. Live in Rochester, Jeremy Wall, KIMT News 3.
Thanks, Jeremy. And to avoid loneliness, anxiety, depression this holiday season, Dr. Sharma recommends gathering with others through technology and taking a break from alcohol.